person for feel protection because it knows the spice mean what should mean. That's how me believe still. But feel RT energy. It's from RT said him put me and the husband on the kangaroo for the 2 weeks. The 2 weeks would have been Yvette's birthday. Him give it 2 weeks to mash up. When your birthday, I say Yvette, you vex Yvette. Vex, I say Yvette, she said, I said, blood clot for the RT. And me and God a spar. And when him give me the 2 weeks, I see Yvette's birthday come and me and the man still loving I say, don't mind blood clot RT. But away from that, him provoke me for my pay mine. And that's him the spice. You know what I mean? Spice and spice and RT I go shame on him. Should I find it in her heart to forgive RT for whatever I don't know? Me just a say. You understand me? But that can't be something that RT do. Even that my husband is stupid. Because in my RT have them tracing argument and then me RT comes to something to me. When me and him there the country, not February, and RT said that I am doing a hotel. Do it said to me say, I have RT boss number. I said no. I never talked to RT boss yet, more than on the internet. And him going at the DM and him look for RT number. Look if my RT even there. I said, I never ever DM RT yet. And that's summer black RT. I said, since I think that my RT in a dealing, met my black RT. And that's summer black RT. And I even tell my black RT. Me is a true loyal person. You see, when you have to draw lines and make boundaries for someone where you're where you have a bandwidth, that's me. So that's all me, black RT. When I see the girl that says she sucked my pussy on a black road now, and the whole heap of disgrace, I saw me cup on. Him see man make me cup alive now with RT and Miss Bling, Because me I say, wow. So you see there chat all kind of shit about me, but me not dead. So the big bad blood clot hold for some, I go up on them live and tell them add me. But I don't know affair with my RT. So you don't think RT have affair. Me look like Macri and Papi Show too, no? As much as my vulgar awful, me have morals and quality. When I take my husband, him not have nobody more than be a fly picture. That's why I'm reach so far with him. Because nobody care about him, nobody interested in him, nobody take up him time. So him did it. So I'm do my survey and say, well, I take my chance. I don't regret it, not to stop it. I have good times as much as bad times in life. It doesn't matter if I'm more bad times. There was good in it. I married on the man's fucking birthday. For the rest of his life. He needs to humble himself and leave me alone. Because I wish him well. True. I wish him well. I don't want to say nothing wrong to him. No, I wish him not bad. It's not like that. I can't follow people. I don't follow back. I'm a leader, I can't say yes, them a pant on me, I go do about the same thing. I not approve one blood clot. More than I feel for God, they go jump out and say, what? I got Queenie, that's my character. Make the man flow, but the man to leave me alone. That provoke me, I live the life. I remember say you're married, be careful what you do out there. That is the next thing. So now the one side I hype up on herself. If you remember, say I'm a married man by law. By law. Right blood clot, now if my caca clot I drop out. And you for come as a husband, God forbid it, I send back any weapon of a farm against me. Right now if my pussy tongue I drop out. And him say if a fly come eat me now you can't sign me. You never come. Me not ask you that. My pussy that drop out to blood clot and me walk like the lobster shell them we take off a lobster. But you see me? Liar. Me not get up and turn back on people. Unless you do me something evil and devious. Remember, you give me a name. You tie up with you and you tie up with me. I think you should respect that and go and get a divorce. Because this moment, I say I go divorce, and the next moment, I say no, I go spite you. I don't want to spite you. More free up. But the same amount you say no, come back, come say, me know Jesus love me. Same amount you say no, come back, come say yes. Even when the honor my daughter said to me, so I wait for me, say my right time. Nobody can tell me when or ask me when. You understand me? So if you can't wait, we really have a fuck, Remember, when you say that piece, you say for better or for worse. Nobody in this entire world, I repeat myself, nobody in this entire world wants the worst. But we got sign for the worst. So me have no reason. Why would the worst into the wedding vows? Why? Why it in there? Why it in there? Because right now I'm tied up in the vows. I have to do an operation, my people them can't sign for me. My mother can't sign for me. It's the same for the same. So when I look on the smaller picture, I just pray and beg God for guide him. You hear that? What do you mean by? I don't look for it because I don't counteract nobody. I know the 41 a while ago this. Ask God for guide him, that means I have to turn my mouth to him and say, may I beg you? What is the worst? Tell me what the difference. The worst is the worst. The worst is the worst for everyone's worst. It's like when Anthony Miller asks me, how poor was I? Bad, poor. So you imagine how poor. If you imagine your worst is not my worst. Let me take my friend burden and help out my friend and do it and help my friend. You not necessarily do that. So my worst is not your worst. So let's reason. What is someone's worst is not your worst. Because my journey is not your journey. I pray for my husband. See him with him. It's truth. I'm not going to be illiterate and dark because I'm blogging on society. I come impersonal. I all this stuff I wish him bad. No. Him take him chance, make him take him chance. Him know why. I feel him young chance. Bad young. Am I young chance? Me young in my rights being 54. Somebody who has 70 me can't tell him to them old. Somebody who has 40 can't tell me to me old. It's a figure of speech. Me no wish people bad. All when my class on a dirty blood clot and muggle my mouth, me no wish people bad. So I have to prosper. No. A whole heap of allegation them drop on me. You know the wickedest blood clotting about my mouth. That's true. I do have a blood clot. My fool you fuck. Me see how much people sit down and I think they have to do. I say, I can't do it. I even play a hypocrite. Go free your mama pussy tongue. Go free your mama ginger pussy tongue. We have ginger fly upon it. When you free your mama pussy tongue, yeah, baby. Thank you, my darling. When you free your mama blood clot, me a bad girl. Fuck gonna feel like. That me get out of marriage, disrespect and title. Move on a dirty blood clot. Can't be everybody cup of tea. Move your blood clot and go elastic by your mama pussy tongue. Your mama pussy tongue while elastic by and the mama need to teach them manners. When you know say big man married corruption and then not coming at blood clot, got cross and destruction. I got take on a nasty blood clot. What?
Ginger beer.
Morning.
You know, go fight this morning.
Favorite man.
I want to you that to say. But say now, but now, say now, cut no fight.
Even that's here nice, thank you.
And I don't know.
Can't be everybody cup of tea. No, no boots me like me. Me no fuck a box, you know.
No, but you.
That me say,
hear that? No, can't change my blood clot, man. I feel good on my pussy fat and juicy and clean and no man's sperm in it. Pussy just nice. You know what sweet my beer man want me? What of them want me for trick me, for lick me, for blood clot make me? Me just sit back and laugh and say, Queer, what you? Me not nobody for true. Me can't pretend, you know. Me have to be true to myself. Clear man make him prosper. Tell him if you tell the man to stop banting me and live him life. And that's gonna tell him. Live your life, brother man. I wish him well, true. But they move them dirty blood clot. All them want do when my caca clot a drop out. And when you know when the worm them up on the pork, I saw the worm in my pussy, and that's all I know want blood clot because I don't like touch pork, morning darling. Them not stream not a music. Move on the blood clot.